make a promise both of you. So, man, pwede kayo libat. Hikli mo ba?
Pinapangako ko na mamahalin kita habang buhay, alagaan.
Maninoy, patian nyo ha?
Pagsisilbihan at pinapangako ko na dito lang pala sa tabi.
Liwat maninoy ha? Basta mo palagay sa na, patawag ta ka mo liwat. Patawag ta ka mo tanan ng mga maninoy kang maninay. Nabatian nyo kang promisyon na nanagawa ko lang? Sure. Yes, sure. Take them, she'll make a sword to be my wedded husband, wife. From this day forward. For better, for worse. For richer, for poorer. In sickness and health. To love and cherish. Tell them to us.
I,
Take thee, Alton Mendes, to be my wedded husband. To have and to hold from this day forward. For better, for worse. For richer, for poorer. In sickness and in health. To love and to cherish. Tell them to us what. Do you have a ring? Hindi lang may baho, may probinsya. So another na probinsya ilang kasaray na mo ang ginatawag nga so, permit natin ni mabatian ang dinatawag na sing-sing. So, tawag ang sing-sing, amo yung pinakamanami kasi bulong sa ginatawag pag-ibong mamay kagkasama. Bawag nga, kasi bulong inisan, huwag ay katugtuban. No? So, may katugtuban, that's why, hindi lang pumaambang ninyo, kundi ang ring pag-ikat ng simulo. Kung ano ang kamaturan sila yung ginatawag na kasama. Ang inyong pag-ibong manay, so, huwag ay nanon. So I hope nagkabay ini nakuliwaan yun, butang mo sa tudlo ni sila may inangasing-sing. So magatanda ina na igugma mo siya. Okay, just repeat after me. I, Alton Mendes, as I give this ring to you, saying, I love you, with a love as a beautiful and as never-ending as this spring. As you give this ring to Alvin Mendez, you are seeing I love you. With a love as beautiful and as never ending as this ring.